Okay, we have a 2019 Haas UMC500SS. Machine was new in 2019. You have the 5-axis table, 40 taper spindle. Right now we're running 6,500 RPM. It's completely quiet. You have Renishaw probe.
Yeah, I think I got it.
10,000 RPM.
Yes, 10,000.
Okay. You also have the other tool touch off. It's a 50 ATC, by the way, so you have that. Tool change. Another tool change. Rotating the rotary table. You saw the X travel before. That's your B. Telescopic weight covers, that's your X. And your Z. Oh, Y actually. Oh, look at that. Looky, looky. And Z. All right, I'm gonna walk you around a little bit. That's your chip conveyor. Again, 2019, 50 ATC. Those are your pumps. I'll come around here and shoot the, and that's your serial number, 1167929. Thank you for watching our video.